Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video of vocabulary series. So today we are going to learn this today we are going to learn these 5 words and let's begin this video. So first word which I have chosen today is adulterate. Adulterate is a kind of verb. It is a verb. It can be used as adjective and it's mean to contaminate, to make impure and to corrupt, to spoil, to make to make impure. So you can write this all, और उर्दू में हम इसे कहेंगे मिलावट. The second word is affluent. Affluent is used as adjective as well as noun. So what does it mean? It means wealthy, privileged, rich, abundance of anything, abundant. It is used in sense of abundant as well. किसी चीज की कसरत हो, ठीक है. The third word kajol. I have seen this word in different tests like conducted by NTS, OTS. So I thought I must share this word with you guys. So this word kajol is a verb. It's mean to pursue, to attract, butter up. किसी को किसी चीज़ के लिए इसरार करना जो वो करना ना चाह रहा हो, ठीक है. द फोर्थ वर्ड इज कैंडर, ठीक है, और ये यूज़ होता है एज अ नाउन और इसका मतलब भी बहुत मज़े का है. इसका मतलब है सिंसियर, प्योरिटी, ऑनेस्ट, ईमानदार. And the last word of today's video is dictum. Dictum is a word which is used, it is a noun. और जब हम कहते हैं ना, ये एक मशहूर कहावत, किसी प्रोवर्ब को कहते हैं, कोई प्रोवर्ब या सेइंग जो होता है उसको कहते हैं डिक्टम, ठीक है. कोई कहावत या कोई मशहूर कॉल जिसको उर्दू में बोलते हैं कॉल, ठीक है, तो उसे इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं डिक्टम. यू कैन से दैट एनी प्रोवर्ब, ए मैक्सिम, एनी स्टेटमेंट, अथॉरिटेटिव स्टेटमेंट और सेइंग, तो उसे कहते हैं डिक्टम. So these all are the words which we have learned today. We'll repeat it once again. Adulterate, it is used as a verb as well as adjective, and it's mean to contaminate, to spoil, to make impure, to corrupt. You can use it in corruption sense as well. The second one is affluent, which is used as noun, and it's mean abundance, wealthy, rich, privileged. The third word is cajole, and it is used as a verb, and it's mean to pursue, to butter up, to entice, means to insist someone to do something which is reluctant to do. The fourth word is candor, and it's mean sincere, honest, pure, ईमानदार. The last word is dictum. Dictum means कहावत, proverb, कोई कॉल. सो होप सो आज की वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई होगी और आप लोगों ने नए वर्ड्स का इजाफा किया होगा अपने vocab बैंक में. आई विल कैच यू इंशाल्लाह टुमारो. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.